Brethren, young people, when you dress, you need to look like a child of God. When we were at Conversary a few weeks ago, done by Emancipation Park, a young person talk about KFC and then breast leg and tie. I said, brethren, yes, you might want to look nice. When you go into church, you try to find a nice young man or young woman. But at the end of the day, you do not need to broadcast every single thing. You must leave some things to the imagination. Some of us, we can't even walk properly in the pants that we're wearing. You know, my uncle said one day a man was coming around the corner, and when he was driving around the corner, there was a young man in the road. The young man was crossing the road on the corner, and his pants was so tight, he couldn't even run out of the road properly. He was going like this. He had to jump the brake. I said, my brothers and sisters, God wants a young person who is not just a Christian in your heart, but they can show based on how you dress. You see, God is calling, my brothers and sisters, for a group of youth leaders for the church who have consecrated not only their hearts to Him, but also their closets. I said, Lord, if you don't want me to wear this, I'm not wearing it.